Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. A very good evening to all of you from Goa. So today I'm come up with a very easy and a quick recipe on how to make tomato sauce at home. So very simple. You need some tomatoes. So I've taken half kg of tomatoes, a few leaves of parsley. Then I've taken some basil leaves, few leaves. So few means it is like half bunch, whatever you get in the market. So it is like few leaves of uh, basil leaves. Then this is like red pepper. I've taken 1/4 of this. I've taken one full of garlic pod. It was one full of pod. Then I've taken one red onion and I've taken one white onion. So this is all what you need. Please have a look close by. So this is fresh parsley and tomatoes are chopped like this. So half kg of tomato, red onion, white onion. You can use both red onion also, and basil leaves. And this is red bell, 1/4 of that bell, not full. Okay, and garlic. So now I'm going to roast this. You can also boil this in a water and then cool down and grind it. But I am going to roast this all in oven. So my oven is getting preheated for 200 degrees Celsius, and I will be doing this roasting in the oven for 20 minutes. Then we have to cool down and grind to fine to paste. So let's start, and with the seasoning what I'm using is pepper, crushed pepper, crushed all over. Then we have to mix this all. Then some salt all over. Then some olive oil or normal oil. If you have olive oil at home, then please do use olive oil. If you don't have, then use normal oil. This is herbs, mixed herbs. And some oregano. And this. And some oil. So let's sprinkle some oil here so they get nice roast. And now we'll mix this. You can mix it nicely with your hands all over. Now we'll keep this for roasting in oven for 20 to 30 minutes. 20 minutes is okay because it is tomato, and that's fine enough to get roasted. So that's gone in my oven. Okay, so now these are all nicely roasted. So we'll let it cool down on the room temperature. You can put it a fan on and cool down, and then we'll grind. So we'll now grind this. So here is our tomato sauce is ready, and you can make many dishes out of it. You can make pastas or mince or anything, whatever you want to use. This is now homemade tomato sauce without any preservative I've added. No any color to give rich red color, but this is after, this is like roasted tomato sauce. Okay, this is roasted, we have roasted this, so that's why the color, but the flavors are lovely. Okay, and if you, so I'll come up with some other things also in my coming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.